This is one of the most boring and time-consuming part of implementing a cookie consent in a website. After scanning your website in some popular cookie consent solutions to detect the cookies, you will see some trackers marked as unclassified, and there is no warning that this needs to be updated. When a tracker is uncategorized or unclassified like here, this is very important. It means it won't be blocked before user consent when it should be, and that's key to having a data privacy compliant website. Same problem here. You have to fill in the purpose description, and there is no much information about how to do that. So you would probably need to go search in the web or use AI to try to get some help, like what is hot ID cookie? And this can be time consuming. You have to wait, read, analyze, and probably ask more questions. Imagine you have like 10 or more trackers to do. It's not good. So let me show you how to use AI to properly do this. In the Consent Pro app, this is a native Webflow app, fully integrated with Webflow. After scanning your website, you'll get a warning in the pending actions to add the required fields to your trackers. You can click here, add, and check the information. Even if you don't know what to do, you can magically click on this button, Fill with AI, and the AI will fill in all the information for you in seconds. You can regenerate if you want, and you can also see more explanation about why the AI made a decision for you. For the purpose, here it says more information, and you can also see where this information came from. When you are ready, save the changes, and that's it. Our mission is to make data privacy easier, so we hope this feature makes your life easier too. If you need any help with the cookie consent implementation or any other question about data privacy laws, feel free to reach out to our team of experts in the link in the description below. They are real human beings and we respond really fast. Thanks, ciao ciao, bye bye.